Hey everyone, I'm Joe Brady, a full-time professional photographer, instructor, and workshop leader, and I've been teaching photo editing for over 25 years. As wonderful as today's digital cameras are, we still end up disappointed when we look at our raw images on the computer. Since our cameras don't see light and color the way our eyes do, knowing how to reshape, recolor, and relight our images is crucial to bringing out the full beauty that made us stop and take that picture in the first place. As you see the before and after samples here, it's plainly obvious that the tools in Lightroom and Photoshop can help you change your disappointing raw files into beautiful photographs. Whatever type of photography is your passion, I can help you bring out the full beauty of your images. Try out a course collection or a master set of step-by-step videos. You'll find yourself inspired and ready to put these tutorials to use in your own photography. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you online again soon. Bye-bye.